A cricket match. Cricket is a very common game in our country. I like to watch all the cricket matches. A friendly cricket match was played by us against Sir Syed Ahmad High School yesterday. We won the toss and began to play at 9 a.m. The first player was out for 10 runs and the second for 6. Then our captain went in. There were 7 boundaries for him. We were all out for 78. Then came the turn of the Cersei High School. Their players were good batsmen. We fielded well, but our bowling was weak. They had scored 145 runs when their last player was caught out. In the second innings, we decided to play very steadily. We sent it. We sent in Ahmad and Talha. They played well. Amjad was bowled out in 6 overs. When our score stands 68, our captain was third to go in. There were a dozen boundaries for him. The rest of our players played well, for we had made 186 runs. When our rebels went in for the second time, they had to make more 130 runs in order to win the match. But their victory in the first innings had turned their heads. They began to play very carelessly. Luck favored us and they were all out for 86. We were glad to win the match.